Is your Hikvision camera showing offline in Hik-Connect or your NVR? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you the fastest and most effective ways to get your Hikvision camera back online in just a few minutes.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
First, make sure your Hikvision camera is receiving power. For PoE cameras, verify the PoE switch or NVR is supplying power. For Wi-Fi cameras, check the power adapter and cable. A damaged Ethernet cable is one of the most common reasons a PoE camera goes offline. Inspect both cable ends and replace the cable if necessary. Next, verify that your router has a stable internet connection. Restart your router if needed, and make sure other devices can access the internet. If you're using a Hikvision NVR, confirm that the camera is connected to the correct PoE port and appears in the NVR device list. Restart the NVR if the camera isn't detected. Open the Hikvision SADP tool to detect your camera on the network. Make sure the camera has a valid IP address and that there are no IP conflicts. Restart the camera, then check for the latest firmware. Updating the firmware can improve stability, security, and network performance. If the problem continues, press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds. Once the camera restarts, add it back to your NVR or Hik-Connect app. After following these steps, your Hikvision camera should reconnect successfully. If it's still offline, the issue may be related to your network configuration or hardware. I hope this guide helped you fix your Hikvision camera. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CCTV and security camera tutorials. Thanks for watching.